In this tutorial, you will learn about how a computer mouse works. A computer mouse is an additional input device invented by Douglas Engelbart in early 1980s that has become a standard to manipulate objects displayed on the computer screen. When the mouse is moved on a flat surface, a pointer usually shaped like an arrow appears to be moving on the screen in a way that corresponds to how the mouse is moved. The commonest mouse used today is optoelectronic, used to run the GUI-based Windows operating system. Its trackball is of steel for weight and rubber-coated for grip, and as it rotates, it drives two rollers, one each for X and Y displacement. The ball spins the shafts that have encoder wheels on the end with radial slots cut in them. A third spring-loaded roller holds the ball in place against the other two. Also, there are button switches which sense the left and right button states, as well as a third scrolling button. Each disc rotates between a photodetector cell, and each cell contains two offset light-emitting diodes, also known as LEDs, and photoelectric sensors, mounted on opposite sides of the encoder. As the disc turns, the sensors see the light appear to flash, showing movement, as they receive pulses of lights from the LED through the holes in the wheel, while the offset between the two photoelectric sensors shows the direction of movement. A microcontroller interprets the signals from the sensors and the switches, using its firmware program to translate them using an asynchronous protocol from Microsoft comprised of 3 bytes per packet to report X and Y movement plus button presses into packets of data which are sent to the PC. The blue cable carries 5 volts to externally charge the sensors. The green cable is for ground. The orange cable takes the clock pulse either 0 or 1. The white cable carries the 3 bytes data pack to the decoder. The remaining 2 pins of PS2 mouse connector carries no connection. The mouse driver in the computer receives the data packet and decodes the information from it and does actions based on the information, typically of current mouse XY position and button state. Mouse controller reads the state of 2 sensors and takes account of current mouse position and displays on monitor.